Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today is a happy package day. Why is it a happy package day? When every day is a happy package day that you get a package? Because this one is a winnings package day. I won this in a Lock Sporters 100 subscriber giveaway. And this person was Lockpicking Dev. Now, as you can see from the date, yes, it was back in July. However, things take a while to travel. Then they have to go into lockdown, and then they have to go into quarantine. Lockpicking Dev. I will leave a link in the channel below, in the description in the channel below, for Lockpicking Dev's channel. Go check them out. Very interesting channel. Lots of covert ways of getting in and out of locks. A very clever lock sporter. So, how do we get into one of these? It's just one of these ones that's going to explode on me, I wonder. Now, Lockpicking Dev had 3 prizes, so 3 different winners, and I chose this one because at the time I was wanting to learn how to do this, and I didn't really know anything about them. And he had this prize on offer. Oh wow, this is way cool. Way cool. Look at this. Gorgeous, gorgeous colour. This is a lockout tag out lock. Look at the logo. One of the early ones. U-E-N. It's an 1105. Wow. Slightly different keyway. Okay. Right. Holy jolly. Oh yes. But not to panic about that bidding when I am just starting to learn how to pick American locks, because what Lockpicking Dev has done is sent all these keys with all these different biddings so that I can learn from easy to hard to near bloody impossible. Wow. Plus the appropriate pins and springs, and even some followers to go with it. Spare retaining clip. That's the security wafer and the circlip. Very nice. Thank you so much for that. These are the little ones with all the key pins have got the serrations on them. Don't know if you can see this. Let me just grab a little pin tray here. Have a look at all this. Let's go in a bit closer. Wow. Very, very cool. What a great prize. Help someone like me out who knows nothing about picking American locks. He's been just struggling with the one I've got. And now we've got these. And then in the meantime, I've received some more American locks from Lock Sporters. This is just so generous. Thank you very much. I'm going to have fun learning all this. I am well on the way to getting my first open. Thank you so much, Lockpicking Dev. Love the colour of this green. This is a very nice 1105. Wow, look at the length of that shackle. Go check out this channel. I'll leave a link in the description below. Everyone, stay legal. In the comments below, let Lockpicking Dev know how cool all this is. Temptation is everywhere.